Hello everyone, I'm Sumit Kumar Bhatia from BBA Semester 6. My topic for Business Policy and Strategies video presentation is SWOT analysis, which is renowned tool of environmental analysis. So here we go.
So what are environmental analysis? Environmental analysis is described as the process which examines all the components, internal or external, that has an influence on the performance of the organization. The internal components indicate the strengths and weakness of the business entity, whereas the external components represent the opportunities and threats outside the organization. To perform environmental analysis, a constant stream of relevant information is required to find out the best course of action. Strategic planners use the information gathered from the environmental analysis for forecasting trends for future in advance. The information can also be used to assess the operating environment and set up organizational goals. It ascertains whether the goals defined by the organization are achievable or not with the present strategies. If it is not possible to reach those goals with the existing strategies, then new strategies are devised or old ones are modified accordingly. Now, categorization of environmental factors. There are two categories of environmental factors that influence business strategy formulation process. The first one is internal factors. These are the inner strengths and weaknesses that an organization exhibits. Internal factors can strongly affect how well a company meets its objective, and they might be seen as strengths if they have favorable impact on business. But they might be seen as a weaknesses also if they have a deleterious effect on the business. Second one is external factors. Customers, competition, economy, technology, political and social conditions, and resources are common external factors that influence the organization. Even if the external environment occurs outside an organization, it can have a significant influence on its current operations, growth, and long term sustainability. The tools used for scanning the environment are Gestal framework, SWOT analysis, TOS matrix, and ETOP analysis. I will be explaining SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis, also known as external environment analysis. It includes internal and external aspects and positive and negative considerations. Internal aspects include strengths and weaknesses, where external aspects include opportunities and threats. Positive considerations include strengths and opportunities, and negative considerations include weaknesses and threats. So, what is SWOT analysis? SWOT analysis is a strategic management tool that assists an enterprise in discerning their internal strengths and weaknesses and external opportunities and threats to determine its competitive position in the market. The SWOT analysis helps in ascertaining the factors that influence the efficiency and effectiveness of any product, project, or business entity. In SWOT analysis, S stands for strengths, W stands for weaknesses, O stands for opportunities, and T for threats. Now, strengths. The strengths of a company are the core competencies in which the business has an edge over its competitors. It covers aspects such as strong financial condition, a large customer base, strong brand name, latest technology or patents, etc. Weaknesses. Weaknesses can be described as the area of limitations of the business that hinders the growth of a company and even lead to a strategic disadvantage. These are the areas which need improvement to perform competitively. It encompasses obsolete facilities and outdated technology, no or less internal control, less quality in products and services offered, weak brand image, etc. Now, opportunities. Opportunities can be understood as the condition which is favorable or beneficial to the organization in the business environment that the business could exploit to gain an advantage. These are looking for areas of development, adding new products to the existing product line to increase customer base, forward and backward integration, acquiring rivals business, etc. Now, threats. Threats implies an adverse condition which can lead the business enterprise to losses and can also harm the overall position and reputation of the enterprise. It entails a downtrend in market growth, a new entrant to the market, substitute products that can decrease sales, new regulatory requirements, etc. SWOT analysis helps the company management in designing a business model specific to the firm. The model perfectly suits or aligns the company's resources or competencies as per the needs of the business environment, wherein the organization operates and helps in gaining a competitive advantage over the rivals. This will increase the profitability, market share, and the chances to survive in the dynamic competitive business environment. Thank you.